Can we continue our download in sleep mode? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video we'll talk about if it is possible to keep the download running if we put our device into sleep mode. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So here what we are going to discuss about is when we keep a game or file on download mode or it's downloading and we want to just turn off our computer, not turn it off, but simply put it to sleep mode if the download keeps on running. So here you can even experiment it yourself, but the quick and short answer is no, you cannot. So the reason for that is turning off your device, or that is shutting down your device, is basically like restarting your computer. So whatever your system is doing right here, it will just, everything will just get ended, and when you open it up it will restart. But during sleep mode, what happens is whatever you're trying to do or whatever you're doing during your device during its on is paused during sleep mode. So whenever you put it to sleep mode, everything just stops, it pauses, and when you open up your computer, it just resumes from that point on. So that's the difference between sleep and shutdown. Now here you can even check out different forums available online about your PC in sleep mode. So here you can see, as they say, it is possible, but it's not actually possible, because during your sleep mode your disk is turned off, as you can see right here. So your disk is turned off, so your download will not progress. You can even head over to your other forums such as Quora, or even ask an AI about it. So as you can see right here, downloads do not continue because your CPU is now on pause mode. So your hardware will get turned off, but and it will just pause your CPU. So there are different alternatives for this, such as disabling sleep mode and using apps to prevent sleep, and you can even allow network activity during sleep. So yeah, you can do those kind of stuff, but it is not possible to keep your download going on during sleep mode. I hope this video answers your question, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.